Oh, hi, my name is Steve Freeman. I'm from the Grand Concourse program. It's called TOP. I want you to explore my photography. And it was about this bird fly to over by Pole Park. Yeah, it probably 100 birds. Then I want to take this I want to take this picture. It was kind of so nice and clear. I like do a lot of photography pictures, and I like to explore around the park and around about a lot of places in the park. See squirrels, take pictures of squirrels, take pictures birds and trees. Thank you for the time exploring my work, my artwork, and I will enjoy my beautiful picture to do take a lot of pictures from Pole Park.